Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, I just received this WROGN branded WROGN Hummer unisex bag with rain cover. Okay, I ordered this on Flipkart and see here, Hummer unisex bag with rain cover for 840 rupees. Along with that, I ordered Acer Asparlite AMZ Ryzen 3 quad core 5300U laptop, which is of 16 GB RAM. This one is the brand new laptop, Acer Lite. Okay, and this is the box. I just did the unboxing. Along with this, I did the unboxing for this WROGN wireless mouse and also this Urban 10,000 mAh power bank, which I did a detailed unboxing videos. Just find the links in the description, so you can find all the links for that. And this laptop is for 25,000 rupees. Okay, and this bag, this WROGN bag is for 840 rupees, and still the price is same. And the capacity is 45.1 liter laptop backpack Hummer unisex bag with rain cover office. This is suitable for office, school, college and business. And there are two color options available, but the user has kept this for brown color, and which is looking pretty premium. Yeah, see here, this is just looking, first of all, let me this is a little bit weight only, because the material is such that it is looking pretty premium. Even the zips, this got some cloth handles, see here, one cabinet at the top, and this is another compartment. Okay, see inside this waterproof material. This is all waterproof premium material. Okay, one and two compartments, and then here goes the third one. Let me open this compartment. See everything, the premium waterproof material, and this is the main cabin or the compartment, you can say. That's the reason it is 45 liters almost. See here, everywhere you will find this waterproof sort of material, and with good cushion. Actually, even the cushion is good. See here also the cushion is good. When you carry, you will feel that cushion here. Okay, yeah, fine. And here also there is another compartment at the back side, and they in the product description on the Flipkart, it is mentioned like it got some rain protection, right? This is the cover. If you're carrying a laptop here, let us first check this side compartments here. And here, this is for the water bottle, which is spacious water bottle. Okay, these are the compartments, and you got here the WROGN logo, and this is the wording, and this is the back profile. Okay, at the bottom protection with some hard plastic material. This got some stitching base. Okay, fine. And let me just close this ones quickly. Yeah, so the user just keeps this, and the rating on the Flipkart is also 4.8. so I'll be just trying to keep the laptop inside this bag. Okay, and the best part is it comes with the rain cover. That is what which is pretty impressive. So, see here, during the times of rainy season, you can just cover this bag like this, in case if you're just carrying a laptop. See, fine, right? You should cover this properly. But yeah, at this budget range, I felt really good about this WROGN bag, and this got 4.3 rating. Around many users have given the ratings for this. Okay, please do comment your opinion on this product. Yeah, it got decent ratings and reviews on the Flipkart, where the user has purchased this. Okay, yeah. And coming to the product details, one backpack and one rain cover, and the brand is WROGN. And laptop backpack, man, ideal for men and women. Trolley support no, laptop sleeve yes, with rain cover yes. Compatible size 15.6-inch laptop, and this laptop is compatible for this very laptop. The user has purchased this WROGN what is this bag, this WROGN bag. And but for any purpose you can just use this bag, because this got pretty good look, and the quality is also really good. But yeah, once the user uses this for at least 2 to 3 months, then we'll check the position and we'll upload a review video on this backpack. Please do comment your opinions, and if you do have any other questions regarding this power bank or this mouse, or even for this laptop or for this backpack, please do ask in the comments, so that I'll be giving you a reply. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.